way of life to ensure the establishment and maintenance of a Filipino society characterized by freedom, solidarity, justice, equity, social and intergenerational responsibility, self-reliance, and efficiency. I further commit myself to the five principles of theism, humanism, enlightened nationalism, shared prosperity, and consultative and participatory democracy.
Salamat po, Ka-Astra. At ngayon naman po, bigyan natin ng pagpupugay ang presensya po ng ating PDP Secretary General ng National. Andito po sa ating ngayong araw at kasama natin sa seremonyang ito si Sec Gen Wendell Avisado. Palakpakan naman po natin si Wendell. And of course,
buong mundo. And he is most sought after even in Asia as one of the greatest lawyers in our time. Siguro sa mga hindi siya kilala, nais kong ipabatid sa inyo kung gaano kahalaga ang kanyang pagsapi sa amin sa PDP bilang isa sa mga officers. Hindi na lang siya ngayon plain member namin, no, na regular member, kundi magiging opisyal at hahawakan niya ang isa sa pinakamalaking rehiyon sa buong Pilipinas. Ito ang Region 11 kung saan napapaloob ang ating Davao Region. By the way, hindi kasama sa Davao Region ang General Santos City, ha? Naklaro ko lamang.
May bubo kasi pumunta
Masingit ko lamang. Oo. Kay Kabik-Bik iyon ang General Santos, Sok Sergeant. Oo, 'di ba? Pero alam nyo, ito ay kanina meron tayong inusal na prayer for the Christians. Ito ay isa naman sa ating mga kinikilalang isang Muslim leader also, no? And bago ko banggitin ang kanyang pangalan, mas higit ko siyang nakilala nitong nakaraang 2025 elections kasi siya po yung umiikot sa buong Pilipinas para ikampanya si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. And he did a very great job at that. At lalong nakita ang kanyang sigasig, ang kanyang katapatan, at higit sa lahat yung napapaloob na katotohanan sa kanyang puso. Alam nyo, bago pa man lang siya na kita personal, ako before I saw him personal, I was asked by Ka Wendell Avisado, Sec-Gen natin, no? Astra, gusto natin meron tayong Muslim na na kandidato sa sa 2025 elections. Hindi ko personal nakilala ang taong ito, pero sabi ko kay Ka Wendell agad, Ka Wendell, i-field natin na kandidato si Attorney Torion. Kaso lang, nung panahon na yon, busy, sabi ni Ka Wendell, busy si Attorney Torion kasi may hinaharap na maraming kaso si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. 2025. Itong nakaraang eleksyon lamang. Oo. 2025 elections. Itong nakaraan lamang. And ang para pa rin siya ang kandidato, Kasi siya yung umikot. Pero alam nyo, napakaganda ng kanyang puso at napakagaling. He is right now the Dean of the JMCI Law, College of Law, no? Sa Davao City. Hindi lamang yan, Meron siyang Torreon Law Office in at congratulations sa inyo ni Attorney Jimmy Bondo sa bubuksan Palawang. Pero tapos na yung kanilang opisina sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan na kailangan nyo ng abogado dito sa Metro Manila. Meron silang bagong bubuksang opisina sa Pasig. And we are very happy kasi hindi pa man lang siya tumuntong bilang presidente ng Region 11. Kumilos na po siya para ma-organize ang buong rehiyon at nagkaroon na kami ng maraming basic membership seminar sa Region 11 even before he took oath as an officer of the party. So without further ado, lahat ng buong Pilipinas at buong membership ng PDP ay very happy para doon sa kanyang pagsama dito bilang opisyal ng partido. And syempre, masaya kami dahil nandito siya. And si Kapene ay may gustong idagdag na pagpapakilala sa kanya.
Actually, syempre po, dahil lahat naman po kami dito sa PDP, ang pagkilala ay pantay-pantay. Walang mababa, walang mataas, walang mayaman, walang mahirap. Ang tinitignan natin kung paano ka makapaglalatag ng serbisyo para po sa ating mga nagdarahop at mga maliliit na kinakailangan nating tutukan at tulungan, at lalo na yung karapatang pantao ay dapat din natin bigyan pagpapahalaga. Kaya po talaga natuwa rin kami sa pagdating po ni Attorney mamaya na, papakilala yan mamaya. Pero syempre, kailangan ipakilala ko muli sa inyo kung sino yung mag-o-oath sa kanya. Hindi mo to pwedeng questionin pagdating sa kanyang pagiging intelihente sa lahat ng bagay at batikan. Lalo na sa usaping kaperahan, dahil yan po ay ang ating kinilala noon, ng panahon po ng dating administrasyon, FPRRD. Siya po yung isa sa pinakamatikas na nanilbihan at naging trabahante ng bayan, kung kanilang po tawagin. Siya po yung dati pong secretary po ng BBM, kung saan yan po ang isa sa pinaka-importante na tinututukang ahensya ng ating mga kababayan, kung saan nandiyan po ang kaban ng bayan at mga budget kung paano paghahati-hatiin at saan itatalaga. Andito po ang magpapaot po sa atin pong butihing itatalaga para po sa Region 11 na presidente, si Attorney Kawendel Avisado. Kaya kung makikita po ninyo ang ating pong seremonya ngayon ay huwag kayong magtaka dahil dito po sa PDP, anytime we are ready. We will be adjusting ourselves also because we know how busy si Attorney Torreon. Pero tulad po ng example na ibinigay ng ating FPRRD, ito po ay simple at payak na seremonya, ngunit magiging makatotohanan pagdating ng paglatag ng serbisyong atin pong inaasahan, kaya talaga pong siya po ang dapat at nararapat na italaga sa Region 11. So, wag na po nating patagalin ang seremonyang ito at marami pa pong pupuntahan yan at alam ko meron niyang hearing ng alauna ng hapon. Tama? So, Ka-Astra, susugan niyo po ako.
Ayan, mga kababayan, mga kapartido, we are very happy to introduce to you who will be taking his oath of office as President of Region 11 Council of PDP. Please welcome Attorney Israelito Torreon. Kawendel, please administer the oath. At we are requesting the officers who are here, Kabitbit, President of Region 12, Ka-Ibet. Ayan.
Bakit ang gwapo-gwapo po sa TV? Si iba parang filter eh.
Ay, hindi. Original yan. Nasa personal na.
Please raise your right hand and let's recite the officer's oath of office. Repeat after me, please. I state your name.
I, Israelito P. Torreon,
Having been appointed as the
Regional Council President of Region 11
of the Partido Democratico Filipino,
of the Partido Democratico Filipino,
do solemnly swear to abide by and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines and of the party,
do solemnly swear to abide by and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines and of the party,
to keep faith in and put into practice the 5 basic principles of PDP and the basic objective of federalism,
to keep faith in and put into practice the 5 basic principles of PDP and the basic objective of
to
federalism,
perform my duties to the best of my abilities and capabilities,
to perform my duties to the best of my abilities and capabilities,
without fear or favor,
without fear or favor,
with the aim in view of furthering the objectives of the party
with the aim in view of furthering the objectives of the
and
party
advancing the interests of the community to which it is dedicated,
and advancing the interests of the community to which it is dedicated,
and to conduct myself in the manner befitting a good and true PDP,
and to conduct myself in a manner befitting a good and true PDP,
so as to bring honor and prestige to the party,
so as to bring honor and prestige to the party,
and that I take this pledge without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
and that I take this pledge without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome to the party.
Kamay. Ayan. Let's proceed to the pinning, official pinning kay Attorney Torion.
Alam niyo, one of the original members of PDP now is Kabigbig Garcia.
Yes.
So may I have him to be the one to pin? Come on! Come on! Ito, kasabay-sabay ko ito.
Tagal na kami masyado makakilala ni Sir Bigpig.
Mga bata pa kami nung araw.
Oo nga eh. Nakainom lang ako ng Fountain of Youth.
Ako pala, wala.
Hindi.
Sukin sa lig, ha?
Okay.
Okay, picture.
Picture, picture. Ayan.
Ang kamay.
Ang kamay na bakal.
Alright. Thank you.
Salamat kayo. Salamat. Congrats.
Mag-speech.
Feeling yan.
Of course, hindi natin to pwedeng palagpasin na walang acceptance. So, para po sa kanyang acceptance speech or signing muna. Para po sa kanyang pagtanggap, bigyan natin ng pagkakataon na marinig muli ang atin po talagang pinagmamalaki sa Region 11, Attorney Israelito Torion. Ka-Israelito.
Dito.
Camera po.
Dito. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Attorney Israelito Bobet Torion. First, the gratitude. I would like to thank the founders of the PDP Laban. It has always been one of my dream in life to be part of this illustrious organization. I remember then Senator Nene Pimentel watching him on TV and espouse doctrines such as federalism, which really have been implanted within my system. And the advocates of federalism likewise have lived to this day, and I am proud that I am now hand in hand with our Secretary General, my idol likewise, Attorney Wendell Avisado, and I am joined by Attorney Bikbik Garcia of Region 11 and Region 12 rather, and I have likewise to express my gratitude and heartfelt thanks to our Chairman now, Secretary Alcusi, for likewise trusting me and entrusting me this responsibility. And I would like also to express my heartfelt gratitude to the national officers of the PDP Laban who are here with us. You have seen the beauteous and very beautiful and active Ma'am Pen, our equally attractive chairperson of the membership committee, in my kumare na nandito ngayon, si Attorney Yvette Contacto. Thank you very much, and the staff of the IBP, thank you for all your trust in me. Ano yun? PP. PDP Laban. Kasi sanay na sanay akong IBP officer. I was IBP president for 2 terms in IBP Davao del Sur. I became a regional governor of IBP in the past. That's why IBP is well within my system. But I should be corrected. It is now PDP Laban. Yan. And what is the future of Region 11 under my leadership? I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He will guide me towards strengthening more the PDP Laban in Region 11. I know much is expected in Region 11, and it will be one of my mission and objective to reach the more than 92% vote for VP Sara Duterte in the 2028 elections. It will be my personal mission to make it happen that we will reach more than 92% of the votes to be garnered by VP Sara Duterte in Region 11. It will be our bank of votes that will shield her from any and all thievery that may happen in any election process. And with that, I would like to request my co-members of PDP Laban in Region 11 to join me in my cause to make PDP a more united, more humane, and more compassionate organization that will attend not only to the needs of the elites, but more so on the needs of the masses, that we can be the voice that can air out their grievances towards the government and make us a vehicle to be an instrument of justice in our society. Because PDP Laban has been grounded on clear foundational objectives. And as officers and members of PDP, it is our bounden responsibility to be the bridge between our goals and objectives in order for those to become realities. Much is expected from us, and much should be done by us to realize all our objectives. Kailangan may aksyon, hindi lamang puro salita. Maraming salamat po, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless me and bless our nation. Thank you.
Maraming salamat kay Israeli Totorion, attorney. Sa lahat ng taga-Region 11, mabuhay po kayo at ngayon po ay meron na po kayong mamumuno ng may tapang at malasakit that you need to support Katoryon. Okay po? So now po, ang atin pong sunod na gagawin ay ang kanyang ceremonial signing. Everybody, please do watch.
Akin pong ikakagalak na i-announce sa iyo, mahal pala talaga ako ni Senator Bongo. Darating daw siya ngayon. Maraming salamat po, Senator Bongo.
Diyan. First time yan.
Lakas ko naman kay Senator Bongo.
Sana all, malakas.
Kuha na lang nga.
Check ka na ba na? Please, para check ka na lang.
Oo lagi.
Ako sila ba?
Gay.
Ayan, kay harap. Harap mo. Yes. Yes.
Yan.
Okay.
Tama ko?
Puso, puso.
Art
Para sa akin. Heart.
Ganito, ganito. Maternity.
Alright.
Ayan.
Okay.
Hey! Ay, ang Region 11! Buhay si Atty. Torian! Buhay ang PDP! Buhay si Senator Bongo!